Val. I don't think she could see. I think her eyes are frozen shut. Is she close? Well, I didn't even see where it landed. Oh, she's getting closer. Good girl. Wait, that's not it, is it? Are you sure?
Can't get it too far in the snow. There it is.
Look at that. Good girl, Val. Bring it here. Bring it to Mama. That's not close enough, Val. She's like, alright, I'm going to bring it to Daddy. He's closer. Yeah.